Apply this mixture on the dark circles under your eyes and wake up without them. Results guaranteed. If you constantly have dark circles under your eyes, I am sure you want to get rid of them. But what causes these dark circles, and what can you do to prevent them? Not only alcohol and lack of sleep can lead to dark circles under your eyes. Here are the other causes: genes. This can even occur in childhood. In some children this gets away when they grow older, but some of them can't get rid of it. Congestion. Nasal congestion can make blood vessels in the area around the eyes to dilate, which makes that area becomes darker. So, your dark eye circles may be triggered by an allergic reaction or experiencing sickness with an upper respiratory infection. Oversleeping. Besides lack of sleep, oversleeping can cause these dark circles as well. Skin pigmentation abnormalities. The skin under the eyes is thinner, which makes the blood vessels in this area more easily visible. Abnormalities in skin pigmentation can be the reason behind an irregular distribution of melanin, the substance that gives the skin its color. Sun exposure. The sun makes the body produce more melanin, which can cause darkening of the eyes. Lifestyle. This condition can be caused by excessive smoking and drinking. Also, stimulants such as coffee or amphetamines may lead to less sleep and dark circles. Age. As we grow older, we lose some of the fat and collagen that surrounds the eyes. This and increasingly thin skin can cause greater appearance of dark circles under the eyes. Excess salt. The excessive salt consumption or sodium leads to fluid retention in dark circles. Face mask for dark circles. Needed ingredients: 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of fresh cucumber juice, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated potato. Mix all the ingredients well and apply the resulted mixture on your face. Wash it off after 15 minutes. Repeat this every day for a month. Also, you can make a large quantity of the mixture and keep it in the fridge. Serum for dark circles. Needed ingredients: 1 tablespoon of rose hip seed oil. You can replace this ingredient with sweet almond oil. 2 drops of geranium essential oil. Apply the 2 oils in a small bottle and shake well. Apply it every night before going to bed. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.